Every night in my mind, I feel the perfume of the spring. Baby, I don't deny you're the lady of my dreams.
The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu or the Pyramid of Cheops, is the oldest wonder of the ancient world and the only wonder that has remained largely intact. It served as the tomb of Pharaoh Khufu, who ruled during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom. The Pyramid of Giza is estimated that several thousand workers labored tirelessly for around 30 years to build a single pyramid. There are 3 inner chambers within the Great Pyramid. The lowest, which was left incomplete, was carved into the bedrock that the pyramid was constructed on. The so-called Queen's Chamber and King's Chamber, which house a granite sarcophagus, are located above ground within the pyramid structure. Some claim Heminu, Khufu's vizier, is the architect of the Great Pyramid. Many other scientific and alternative hypotheses seek to explain the precise construction procedures, but as with other such structures, there is no solid consensus. The Great Pyramid was erected by quarrying around 2.3 million massive pieces weighing a total of 6 million tons. The majority of the stones are not uniform in size and shape, and they are only crudely prepared. The Great Pyramid of Giza originally stood at 146.6 meters, which is 481 feet, when it was built, making it the tallest building of its time. However, due to the loss of the outer casing stones over time, it has lost a few feet in the last 4,600 years, and now its current height is approximately 138.5 meters, which is 454 feet. The shape that we are using today is pyramid. The height of the pyramid is 138.5 meter and the base length is 230 meter.
The application of geometry in Great Pyramid of Giza. As we know, the height of the pyramid is 138.5 meters and the base is 230 meters. To calculate the volume, the formula of the pyramid is 1/3bh. Then we substitute the base and height into the formula. So we got the volume of the pyramid 2442216.67 cubic meters. Next, we move to the calculation for the surface area of the pyramid. The formula for surface area is sum of base area plus sum of lateral face area. So, before we find the surface area, we need to find the slant height of the pyramid to substitute it into the formula. The calculation of the slant height should be square root of 115 square plus 138.5 square equals to 180.02. So after we got the slant height of the pyramid, we substitute it into the formula for lateral face. 1/2 times 180.02 times 230 equals to 20702.3. Then for the sum of the lateral faces, we multiply with 4. So it equals to 82,809.2 meters square. For the base area, 230 times 230 equals to 52900. Lastly, we add the sum of base area and the sum of lateral face, so it equals to 135,709.2 meters square.
First of all, we will be talking about one of the most popular sport in the world, football, or soccer as it's known in some countries. Football is a global game that brings people together from all walks for life. Football traces its origin to ancient ball game, but evolved into the modern game in 1800 1603, when England's Football Association standardized the rules. FIFA, Federation International de Football Association, was established in 1904 to govern international play. Secondly, we would like to share to you guys about history of football. There are three history of football. First in China in 2nd and 3rd century. The earliest known form of football-like activity is suju, was a kickball played during the Han Dynasty. Players kick a leather ball into a small net without using their hand. Second, ancient Greece and Rome. Games like Episkairos in Greece and Harpastum in Rome involve teams and a ball, though they were more focused on carrying and throwing than kicking. Third, Mesoamerica. The ancient Maya and Aztec civilizations played a game called Ollama Listri using a rubber ball, though it had more ritualistic purpose than modern football. Application that involve on football is the shape are using is sphere. There are two formulas how to calculate sphere. First, volume is 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r cube. Second, surface area of sphere is 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by r square.
Okay, now you are with me, Shahmi. So now we look at first question. First question is surface area. So the question is, a sphere has a diameter of 18 centimeters. If 1/4 of its surface area is painted blue, what is the area of the painted region in square centimeters using pi 3.14? We look at the next question, the question about volume of sphere. So the question is, a football is modeled as a hollow sphere with an outer radius of 15 centimeters and an inner radius of 14 centimeters, representing the material thickness. Okay, calculate the volume of the material used to make the football. Express your answer in terms of pi using pi 3.14. Okay, so we go to solution for question 1. So we must know formula of surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So this question give diameter is 18 cm. So we know radius is 1/2 multiplied by diameter. So 18/2 we get 9 cm. So we get radius 9 cm. So we substitute r in formula surface area. So 4 pi r square is a formula surface area. So 4 multiplied by 3/1/4 multiplied by 9 square. So we get 1017.36 centimeter square. So this question want to find the painted of sphere. So find 1/4 of surface area. So we must multiply 1 over 4 and the answer we get. So we get 1 over 4 multiple 1017.36, we get 254.34 centimeter square. So that's the final answer. Okay, the next question is question number 2. So usually we must know formula volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cube. So first we must find volume of outer sphere. Outer sphere radius is 15 centimeter. So we substitute radius outer sphere in the formula. So 4 over 3 pi r cube equal to 4 over 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 15 cube. So we get the answer 14130 cm cube. So next we must find volume of inner sphere, which means radius is equal to 14 cm. So we substitute radius 14 cm in the formula. So the answer is 4 over 3 pi r cube equal to pi 4 over 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 14 cube. So we get the answer is 11488.2133 centimeter cube. So we have the outer volume of outer sphere and inner sphere. So we must find the volume of material, which means volume of outer minus volume of inner. So volume of outer is 14130 minus by volume of inner 11488.2133. So we get the answer 2841.7867 centimeter cube. So that's the final answer.
So, the conclusion is geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the properties and relationship of shapes, angles and positions. Geometry has many applications in daily life such as art, architecture, engineering, design measurements and more. It helps us to understand the shape, size and structure of the objects. To conclude, geometry has an impact of us even in the smallest aspect of our life.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.